I knew you would. You were gonna come to me. There you are. I should better choose carefully. I'm capable of anything, and everything. Make me your Aphrodite. Make me your one and only. Don't make me your enemy. Your enemy. Your enemy. So you wanna play with magic? Boy, you should know what you're falling for. Baby, do you dare do this? 'Cause I'm coming at you like a dark horse. Are you running for a perfect storm, perfect storm? 'Cause once you're mine,
There's no going back.
mark my words, this love will make you levitate. Like a bird without a cage. Don't you run, if you just don't walk away, don't walk away. It's in the palm of your hand now, baby. Say yes or no, now, maybe. So just be sure before you give it up to me, up to me. Give it up to me. So you wanna play with magic? Boy, you should know what you're falling for. Baby, do you dare do this? 'Cause I'm coming at you like a dark horse. Are you running for a perfect storm, perfect storm? 'Cause once you're mine,
There's no going back.
She's a beast. I call her karma. She eats your art out like Jeffrey Dahmer. Be careful, try not to lead the hood. Try it out with some steroids, 'cause the love was so strong. You may fall in love when you meet her. If you get the chance, you better keep her. She's sweet as pie, but if you break her heart, she'll turn the cold as a freezer. The fairy tale and in the way, the nani shiny armor. She can be my sleeping beauty. I go Buddha, hina karma. Then my finger lava, shiny so back, just brunking, I don't care. She ride me like a roller coaster, and turn her bad to the tune of fair. Her love is like a drug. I was trying to hit it and quit it, but the mama sold up. I mess around and gonna